How to fix Bumble chat bubbles disappearing mid-chat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning how we can fix chat bubbles if they are disappearing within the chat whenever you're in the middle of a conversation. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your chat bubbles are disappearing mid-chat, so if you open up Bumble and maybe you're talking to someone and if the chat bubble just disappeared while you're in the conversation, it's likely due to the other person unmatching it, or if they deleted their account, the conversation will disappear, or if they have removed all the matches and then disabled the date mode, that could also be the case. Or Bumble may also remove conversations if a user violates community guidelines. While it is definitely disappointing when conversations disappear, it's worth remembering that there are many other users on Bumble. You can try rematches with expired matches, which is indicated by a gray circle, or focus on building new connections. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.